How can I give myself the best chance of 50-50 custody in divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law, and this question comes up all the time. People who are splitting up, have children, one of their priorities, usually their main priority, is the time they will be spending with their children, the parenting arrangement. This is so important. And so you really want to make sure that you handle this the right way so that you optimize your chances of a decent custody order and a parenting plan. So first of all, let me clarify that what I mean by 50-50 custody here is physical custody, the time spent with the children. There is also legal custody, which is about making the major decisions for the children. That is usually shared unless there is a serious breakdown between the parents, a party hasn't been involved, there's abuse, neglect. There are reasons for sole legal custody, but many arrangements end up with a shared legal custody setup. And so for purposes of this video, I'm focusing on the time you spend with the children. How do you optimize your chances of 50-50? First of all, don't leave the home without the children. This is a big mistake that some people make. Things get a little bit tense, they go get an apartment, the kids stay at the home. Inevitably, they don't spend as much time with the children as they want to. Weeks go by, months go by. By the time you get into court and there is a precedent of you not spending a lot of time with the children post-split, you are now digging yourself out of a hole. So don't make that move without consulting with an attorney. Don't get me wrong, in some circumstances, it is appropriate and even necessary, especially when there is abuse, neglect, but you should first assess whether you can stay in the home with the children. Don't make a rash decision and just leave the home and expect it not to have an impact on your chances of physical custody. Number two, to the extent possible, be civil and diplomatic with the other parent. And I know many of you are thinking right now, well, you have no idea who I'm married to. You have no idea what this other parent is like, and I don't. However, this is about optimizing your chances of shared custody. And if you demonstrate to the court that you are someone who is reasonable, you are someone who is trying to do the right thing, you are someone who's trying to maintain a healthy parenting relationship with the other parent for the benefit of the children, that is something that judges take note of. You cannot control how the other party is going to treat you, but what you can control is your reaction and how you handle it. So do it the right way. If you're going to have trouble with this, get some help, talk to a therapist, start building the tools and skills that you need to deal effectively with this type of behavior, and just do the right thing for the kids. Do not add fuel to the fire. Courts notice that. Finally, this is really about the time that you spend with the children. And what I mean by that is you don't want to just switch things up for purposes of putting on a show for the court. You want to make it as organic as possible and spend as much time with the children as possible. And you want to also document that. Document the breakdown in parenting responsibilities. Document the time you're spending with them. Because if it turns into a contested hearing, you're going to want to accurately recall this information. And having it logged is the easiest way to do that. So there is no way around this. If you want an order that has you spending a lot of time with the children, then you have to spend a lot of time with the children. And again, do it as organically as possible and log it. If you have any other questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this helpful, you can subscribe to our channel, share it with anyone you think might benefit from it, and you can find us on social media at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.